quick video about this white jeans machine. It's got this dial on the front. See, it's got 9 stitches numbered on the thing, but the dial is half empty. And you can see inside it uses this multi-finger cam setup, and the thing that they did, they make this selector cam to put the followers in, and then for the stitches that they aren't going to sell you in the machine, they cut the nubs off the side of this selector dial cam, and that's why it doesn't have those stitches. So if you had a machine like this, jeans machine, I think it's the 1470 it says on the back, or one of the other many brands this was sold under, and it has the dial, but they only gave it half the stitches, you could 3D print a selector with these cut off parts in place and have all the stitches that dial offered.